I'm Evelyn from BG Office Furniture Companies. We are the company worked in office furniture for 30 years, so we are very professionals, and we had many cooperation partners worldwide. We have the factories in Foshan, China. Now I'm in the showroom, and let me introduce this product for you. As we can see, it consists of 4 parts: the coffee table, the main table, the side table, and the bookshelves. Let me introduce the size for you. The tea table. The tea table is 90 cm long and 40 cm wide, and it is 45 cm high. And the main table, it is 2 meter long and 90 cm wide, so it has the big space to help you to walk very comfortable. And let's have a see. In front of the main table, we can see here is built on steels. So if your country or your city is very hot or rainy, it can help you to avoid the humid and hot. Let's see the materials of the table lamp. The table lamp is used the stainless steel. It is in good quality. And let's see the design of the main table. It uses the CNC decorations and the golden decorations. We can see the office table, the main table, and the bookshelves also in the same decorations. So it has the design sense in the whole. And let's come on to see the tabletop. The thickness of the tabletop is 5 cm, and the color of the tabletop is W7. If you don't like this color, don't worry, we can change it for you because we have the design team and personal customization for you. And the materials of the tabletop is particle board and MDF. It is in good quality. Let's come and have a see. In this size, it has 2 doors with golden handle. And in another side, it also has 2 doors in golden handle. Okay, let's come and have a see the side table. The side table, the length of the side table is 90 cm long and 40 cm wide. It has 2 doors, so you can put so many things in it. For the bookshelf, it is 2.5 meters long, so it is very huge. The huge can make it seem very luxurious, and its decorations also there are star decorations. And here is the empty part. Over here, you can put some photos of it to show you. Okay, let's see the door. Use a buffer door control. And it can help you avoid to be hurt. Okay, this is our product. We are devoted to do every details well for you and let you have a comfortable service. Yeah. If you want more details, please contact me. I'm Evelyn, always willing to cooperate with you.